Hey everyone, if Dropbox is not downloading files in 2026, like downloads, stuck, failing, or not starting, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Dropbox not downloading files step by step. First, open Dropbox and check your internet connection. Weak or unstable internet is the most common reason downloads fail. Next, restart Dropbox or refresh your browser. This clears temporary download glitches. Now check the file size and your device storage. Large files need enough space to download properly. After that, disable VPN or proxy if you are using one. These can block downloads or slow them down. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can cause download errors. Now try using another browser or device. This helps identify whether the issue is device related. After that, check if Dropbox servers are down. Sometimes the problem is not on your side. Finally, reinstall the Dropbox app if nothing else works. This fixes corrupted files and restores normal downloading. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox not downloading files issue in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your downloads should start working again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner tech tutorials. Hey everyone.